Your lighting sucks. Fix it with these RGB beasts or keep shooting in sadness. Let's be real. Your lighting setup is holding you back. You've got creative fire, bold ideas, and ambition that could fry a motherboard, but your current lights? Dim, flat, lifeless. You tweak, adjust, pray to the lighting gods, and still get that weird blue cast or flickery mess. Whether you're shooting for YouTube, Zoom, TikTok, or that indie masterpiece in your garage, poor lighting is a deal breaker. And it's not just about brightness, it's about control, vibe, mood, and looking like you know what you're doing. Lighting shouldn't be this complicated, but it is, until now. The longer you keep struggling with generic lights, the worse it gets. You miss deadlines. Your footage looks washed out, your edits take longer, and you spend more time fixing exposure than creating. Your audience scrolls past. Your content looks budget, and not the cool kind of budget. Burnout creeps in because you're putting in pro-level effort for amateur-level results. Even worse? You start doubting yourself, when it's really just your cheap lights gaslighting your talent. It's like painting a masterpiece with crayons. How are you supposed to shine if your tools are garbage? Enter the GVM RGB photography lighting kits with 2 softboxes, aka your creative salvation. With 880 60-watt studio lights, 752 LED beads, Bluetooth control, and 18 scene modes, this isn't just lighting. It's a full-on atmosphere weapon. Want dramatic lightning flashes? Got 'em. Soft candle glow? Yep. Disco mode for your behind-the-scenes reels? Absolutely. CRI 97 Plus means color accuracy so good it slaps. You can control every hue, saturation, and temp straight from your phone while sipping coffee like a lighting god. Whether in studio or out in the wild, these lights don't play. This kit isn't just powerful, it's intuitive, professional, and ridiculously fun. Set one as master, sync the rest. Adjust brightness, hue, and color on the fly. Need buttery soft shadows? Done. Need to simulate a police chase or a fireworks show? Also done. Dual power modes mean you're covered whether you're plugged in or off-grid. And it comes with stands, diffusers, cables, and a carrying case that doesn't scream cheap Amazon starter kit. You're not just buying gear, you're unlocking better shots, faster edits, happier clients, and a workflow that finally feels effortless. So yeah, you can keep struggling with your potato light setup, or you can grab the GVM 880 kit right now and upgrade your entire creative ecosystem. Your videos will pop, your lighting will flex, and your confidence will skyrocket. It's more than just gear, it's your next level glow up. Don't wait till your next flop goes live. Step into the light, literally, and click that buy button before the algorithm eats your soul.